Crystal is here again.
Hey!
So that's good that she wasn't scared off. And sure what we're gonna do again. Maybe something just pretty. I'm just using my fingers because I'm not doing a ton of foundation. I actually have two shades right now. One's lighter, I'm going to put it through the center, and then I go back with the one that's slightly darker, and I'm going around the sides. And that's going to give you some natural dimension without having to contour or do a lot of bronzing. Kind of looks like you haven't done anything, but your face isn't flat. You kind of see. I kind of forget how much I like doing foundation with my fingers sometimes.
That's what I do.
It just looks so good. I feel like everybody's like looking for the right brush and everything all the time. Depends on the formula, I guess.
I just like because I don't have to pack a beauty blender.
Yeah, there's that too.
It's just like it's so much simpler.
You look like a doll.
Thank you.
This is Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. This color from Kiko, it's like a water eyeshadow. It's called 201. Let me just put that over the whole eye. I think I'm going to use this color just to give a little bit of definition. I might use this one actually. It's matte. Let's throw a matte color in. in that same color. And take it underneath, so just a little bit. I'm just taking that lighter color again and I'm going to put it a little bit in the inner corner there. I'm going to use this Maybelline Skinny Gel Mascara. And just right away I'm going to have actually like a fluffy pointed brush. So I'm just close. I'm using this skinny one so I can get right into the root of the lashes without making a huge line. I'm going to go back with that brush. In the end, I'm just making the tiniest little flick, a little baby one. And just as a final touch to the black liner, I'm going to go back with this Maybelline Master Precise liner. Get it on my finger. And I'm going to sharpen this part right here. Only on the bottom though. Because I kind of prefer the look. Oh, we'll blend that out. I kind of prefer the look of it softer on top, but I like that definition. I'm going to just go back with that same small brush, clean. And kind of just sort of blend this corner a little bit. Mascara, I'm going to use L'Oreal Voluminous. I think on the bottom I'm going to do a brown mascara. This one's from Clinique. On the cheek, I'm going to use Pearl Cream Color Base from MAC. This is a cream highlighter. Little powder. I've already used this blush on you before, but it's so pretty. On the lips, I'm going to use, I forget what it's called. I think it's called a lip enhancer. Dior Lip Glow. Very fancy. Actually, since the lips are so pink, I kind of want to add a little bit more. I'm just going to add some of this color. I'll put the name in the description box. Pretty close. Basically, it's an entirely different look now. But that's the thing about makeup, is if you get to the end and you want to change something, it's easy. Alright, and that's the finished look. If you like this look and want to see more, or you have any particular ideas you want to see, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.